The silver ticket? The JWSIT Outdoor or Elite Screens 2? Perhaps the VIVO or the Aoxun 110-inch? Which one should you buy? In this video, we are going to look at the top 5 projector screens available on the market today and tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 projector screens. The 5th product on this list is the VIVO PST100. We consider the most versatile devices that can be used for different tasks a worthy investment, and the VIVO is one of such. When we think about projectors, most of the time our minds get caught up in a room filled with our teammates or executives, and us standing in the front giving a presentation. This product goes beyond such narrative because, aside from using it for business and class presentations, it is an excellent choice for a home theater. It features a 4:3 ratio viewing area and a 120-degree viewing angle, wide enough to give you and your audience a good view of whatever is shown on it. Even though this product doesn't support active 3D or 4K videos, the image quality is still impressive. Its matte white surface diffuses light in all directions. Its standard black backing eliminates light penetration, and its black borders on the 4 corners enhance contrast. You will also enjoy the clarity and crispness of your videos or images better in dark or dim-lit spaces. Moreover, its screen size is 100 inches diagonally, 80 inches in width, and 60 inches in height. With such size dimensions, the VIVO PST100 is a portable projector for home, school, and business use. Installing it is pretty easy because it stands on a heavy-duty tripod frame that is stable during use and easily foldable to transport or store away. You will find an auto-locking mechanism in the back handle, with which you can adjust the screen's height at the press of a button and twist it to lock the height in place. Lastly, this product is universally compatible with most LED, LCD, or DLP projectors on the market. Its pros are: the auto-locking mechanism makes it easy to adjust and lock the screen into place, its aluminum tripod is sturdy and stable, and the matte white screen material with black backing enhances picture quality. However, its cons are: it does not support 4K or active 3D viewing, and it is pretty heavy. The VIVO PST100 is ideal for anyone who wants a projector with a motorized screen for easy adjustability. Up next in 4th place is the JWSIT 120-inch Outdoor. Some projectors work best in dark rooms, but the JWSIT 120-inch Outdoor projector works perfectly indoors and outdoors. It is a large projector that will come in handy for backyard or beach parties because it has a viewing angle of 160 degrees and an aspect ratio of 16:9, providing sharp images with enriched colors from various viewing positions. The screen is a combination of 3 layers of PVC film, polyester, and black backing, preventing light penetration and keeping images consistently clear. Also, the idea of using PVC for this projector is brilliant, since it will be used mostly for outdoor activities. The screen needs to be folded for easy transport, but the PVC material ensures that it doesn't wrinkle in the process and can be cleaned easily. Despite being 120 inches in size, this projector isn't difficult to set up without tools. Even the legs are detachable. The screen itself is foldable, and the package comes with a zipper bag so that you can conveniently store or transport the projector without hassle. Unlike the previous product, this unit supports active 3D and 4K Ultra HD videos, and doesn't compromise on crispness, saturation, and clarity. We were impressed with the frame's durability and its ability to stand stable and free even in light wind, thanks to the stability support kit that comes with this product, which includes 4 ground stakes, 2 rigging cords, and 2 support rings. On top of everything, JWSIT offers a 1-year warranty and a lifetime of technical support. Its pros are: it is easy to assemble and disassemble without tools, it supports active 3D and 4K Ultra HD, and the PVC material prevents the screen from wrinkling when folded. However, the metal snaps for opening the screen flat are very tight. The JWSIT 120-inch is recommended for those who need an effective screen for business and entertainment in different outdoor settings. Still haven't found a projector screen that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Elite Screens Yardmaster 2. If you want a projector that you can set up in your backyard at the beginning of summer and dismantle when the season comes to an end, the Yardmaster 2 is an ideal option. It is a 120-inch projector with an aspect ratio of 16:9 that supports active 3D 4K ultra high definition and high dynamic range videos. For its view size, the height and width are 59 inches and 104.7 inches respectively. The projector screen material is a tensioned matte white material that reduces distortion and ensures that the image colors are accurate. Behind the white matte material is a black material backing that prevents the penetration of light, while the black masking borders will enhance the picture contrast. These, in addition to the 180-degree viewing angle, will give you a worthwhile theater experience wherever you use this projector. Even if you leave this product in your yard all summer long, you can easily clean the surface screen with a soft, damp cloth and soap. We particularly liked the foldable silver aluminum frame that is easy to assemble and disassemble in minutes without tools. To keep the projector flat and stable, the frame comes fully tensioned with metal snap-on buttons. Plus, the package comes with ground stakes, support rings, and a rigging cord. Furthermore, this projector comes with a warranty and lifetime tech support, and is ISF Image Science Foundation certified. Lastly, it's nice to know that whether you own a standard, short-throw, 1080p, or 4K projector, you can pair all of them with this screen. Its pros are, it is ideal for indoor and outdoor uses thanks to the layered construction, it is easy to assemble and disassemble even without tools, and it has wide diffusion uniformity. However, the screen wrinkles fairly easily. The Elite Screen's Yardmaster 2 is recommended for those who want a projector that's suitable for residential or commercial applications. The second product on this list is the Aoxun 110-inch. Now, this projector screen is a step up compared to the others we discussed, and here's why. It is a motorized unit that can be controlled in two ways, with a wired control box or wirelessly remote control. The motor in this unit is powerful but quiet, so instead of manually adjusting the height of the screen, you can conveniently use any of the control options. We like the wall mounting and ceiling mounting in design, which makes it flexible to use. Having a diagonal size of 110 inches, 16:9 aspect ratio, and 160-degree viewing angle, Aoxun is wide enough for a large crowd to view conveniently and yet have an immersive experience. To ensure enhanced picture quality, this projector screen features 4 layers that reflect the detail of the picture with the highest degree of accuracy. These layers include a protective layer to make the screen scratch-resistant, durable, and easy to clean, an anti-light layer that absorbs natural light in the environment to improve picture quality, a cutting layer that makes the pixels precise and delicate, and finally, a blackened layer that prevents light transmission while enhancing contrast. Unlike the others we discussed, this projector screen comes fully assembled. All you need to do is mount it on your wall or ceiling and start to use it. In addition to the picture quality and mounting style, we like the lightweight because it makes it easy to transport this product for use in different places. Its pros are, the motor is smooth, quiet, and energy efficient, it is suitable for wall and ceiling mounting, and it has 2 control options, a wired box and wireless RF remote control. However, the projector housing dents easily. The Aoxun 110-inch is recommended for those who want a motorized projector screen with impressive color quality. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top projector screen is the Silver Ticket Products STR series. This product is not like the others we discussed because it is a wall-mounted fixed-frame screen with a premium design that will look good in any space where you mount it. This screen's sturdiness goes beyond its surface. It has a heavy-duty aluminum frame, wrapped in light-absorbing black velvet material for a crisp image. It has a matte white vinyl screen with a 1.1 uniform gain, 160-degree wide viewing angle, and no resolution loss at a 16:9 aspect ratio. All 4 sides of the screen have a specially designed pocket that is easily attachable to the included tension rod system, and creates enough tension to eliminate wrinkles from the surface of the screen material. When it comes to the picture quality of this projector screen, we didn't experience resolution loss from any viewing angle, and the images had bright and vibrant colors, especially because the screen supports full HD 4K, 8K, and active 3D videos, giving us a full movie theater experience. Even better, this unit also works great with long, short, and ultra-short throw projectors, meaning it will suit any system you already have. So if you're looking to create the best home theater experience possible, this is the projector screen for you. Its pros are, the black velvet fabric around the aluminum frame prevents light distortion, it is designed to support full HD 4K, 8K, and active 3D videos, The tension rod system eliminates wrinkles from the screen, and it has an impressive color balance, contrast, and overall image quality. However, it has a fixed frame design, so it is not portable. The Silver Ticket Products STR series is ideal for anyone who wants to create a theater in their home and have an immersive cinema experience. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.